All right, folks, here we go. Looky what we have in our starling trap. Big old Mr. Bull starling. Oh yeah, told you it worked. So this starling is fixing to be starling no more. See that big old dagger type beak? A purple martin don't stand a chance against that dagger beak inside a gourd. So see, a purple martin cannot defend his nest cavity from that big old rascal. They will die quickly. So I told you it worked. We've caught one bluebird, which I turned loose unharmed, and this guy here is fixing to be dispatched to the great beyond. And when I say beyond my martin sight. So anyway, but yeah, don't he look mean? He looks like some kind of pterodactyl or something. So yeah, he's pecking that wire trying to get out of there. He's treacherous. So yeah, see, it worked, folks. It works. He went in that hole. My coffee can counter leader dropped him down. He fell down that chute, ended up in that basket. And see, that's how far away the trap is from the martin side. So yeah, I saw him when I come walking into the pasture. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2-minute tidbit on how the repeating starling trap works. And like I said, I am happy, happy, happy. Bye-bye. Okay, so here we're back. My Gammo starling eradicator. Boom. Dead. Dead starling. So, if you have questions about whether the bird you're looking at is a martin or a starling, the male starlings this time of year, that beak gets bright yellow. That's one of the tools they use to entice the females to come check out their nest sites. And of course, they can be mistaken for a martin, but there's really no mistaking them once you have just a little bit of experience with them. So he is gone. That is a non-native species. You can kill them because they compete with our native birds for nest sites, cavity nest sites. So we screw the catch cage bottom back on, and we're ready. I have caught as many as 2 in one day. I have come home from work and have 2 in there. Not this season, but in the past. So there you have it, folks. It's gory, but it's life. And if you're gonna have martins, there's gonna come a time when you have to do something to protect your martins' nest sites. So here we go. Jeff Eubanks Family Homestead, where hobby homesteading is a way of life.